Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the Wood Veneer Hub wall panel install. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have already received their Wood Veneer Hub panels, or maybe you're on the fence of whether or not to get them and you're worried how to actually install them. Well, let me tell you that I was in the situation in which I was kind of indifferent knowing how to actually install these wooden slat panels, but it actually ended up being extremely easy, okay? So to give you some context, I have 6 panels lined up over here. My wall is 12 feet by 8 feet. And the way I did it is that I used 3 tools to actually adjust these wooden slat panels. So I used the circular saw to actually cut across the wooden panels. And then I used the jigsaw to actually cut the wall outlet that you see right over there. And then I also used the box cutter to do some fine cuts when it came to actually cutting the felts between the wooden panels. So it was my first time using all 3 tools, and I was able to use it and borrow it from a friend, and it worked out perfectly just fine. Now, you also want to use like a wooden sand brush to actually brush the edges as well. And then the way I did it was that my left wall is green, and then my right wall is black. I made sure that my wooden slat panels were pushed all the way up against the left wall so that there would be no gap to be seen. But then on the right side of my wall, because the panels didn't fit perfectly, you'll see that there's some black area there. I painted it black so that it would actually blend in seamlessly with this part of the wall, and it worked perfectly just fine. Now, as far as actually installing these goes, there's multiple ways you can install the wooden panels. My recommendation is that you just use simple black drywall screw anchors, okay? So I'll leave a link to these down below in the description, but that's what I did. So for about 6 panels, I used 9 screws each. So there would be 3 screws up top, 3 screws in the middle, and then 3 screws at the bottom. And I literally just screwed it straight into the wall. And so about 2 years later after having these, you really don't notice the screws at all. I mean, I don't have guests notice them as well. But with the screws though, I would recommend screwing from a top to bottom portion, just because you want to make sure that there's no like air gaps between the wall panels when you actually do install it. But 2 years later, I'd say the installation process was extremely easy. If you have any questions about installing, let me know in the comments down below. I'll leave a link to the screws down below as well. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.